Hello, my name is Soumyashri and I had recently purchased classes from Lecturewala. However, I had few difficulties while installation, which the technician solved very well. Thank you for that.
मैंने शुभम सर की क्लास परचेज़ की है, तो मेरे सारे इश्यूज़ रिज़ॉल्व हैं। मेरे को इनकी सर्विस बहुत अच्छी है।
हाय, माय नेम इज़ पुनीत कुमार और मैंने सीए लेक्चरवाला से सीए इंटरमीडिएट की अकाउंट्स की ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ली थी और जो इनकी सपोर्टिंग टीम है वो बहुत ही अच्छी है और बहुत अच्छा सपोर्ट करती है।
Hello, it's Yash K. Sarvani. The purpose of recording this video is to give the review of Lecturewala. So what happened to me that I had to order CA final lectures, but by mistake I have ordered CA inter lecture, and for that I needed a customer service. So मैंने call लगाया technical support में, and they supported me very well, and उन्होंने मतलब मुझसे डिटेल मांगी and मेल पे मैंने डिटेल सेंड की और throughout the experience was very good. Thank you.
This video is regarding my views on the classes that I have purchased from Lecturewala. Actually, I purchased these classes for SFM by CA Ajay Agrawal sir, but due to any technical issues, I received classes for FR by CA Ajay Agrawal sir. But the technical support is quite great. They helped me in reaching out the problem that I was facing and exchanged the product by SFM in a single day itself. But to continue my studies further without books is a task for me now. But the service provider has a friendly nature of talking to the customer and of providing the right solution at the right time.
Hardik, I purchased lectures from Lecturewala and that is very good. There was no problem in placing the order and the delivery of material was on time. The team of Lecturewala is very supportive and responds to queries as soon as possible, and it is trustworthy.
Hello, the classes are so good. And the support staff is also, they helps me a lot. And the support staff, the technical assistance is also. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this video is regarding the feedback of my recent purchase from lecturewala.com and my name is Rahul Mittal. मैंने अभी एक कॉम्बो पैक ख़रीदा था DT और IDT का फास्ट ट्रैक बैच जो यश खंडेलवाल सर और अक्षांश गर्ग का है। तो उसे जब मैंने 16 तारीख को ख़रीदा था तो उसके बाद मुझे एक दो इश्यूज़ आए, तो लेक्चरवाला की टीम ने मुझे बहुत अच्छे से सपोर्ट करा एंड मेरे अब सारे इश्यूज सॉल्व हो गए हैं। जो भी मैंने इश्यूज पूछे वो मेरे बहुत आराम से सॉल्व हो गए एंड थैंक यू सो मच।
Hi, myself Sanskruti. I have taken lectures from Lecturewala for CMA final and they are really very helpful. Thanks.
मेरा नाम त्रिका है और मैंने रिसेंटली लेक्चरवाले से क्लास लिया था एंड मुझे बहुत सारे डाउट आए थे और इनके जो टीम मेंबर्स हैं उन्होंने मेरी बहुत हेल्प की, सो थैंक यू सो मच।
Das, CS professional student. I have purchased the doctoring lecture from Lecturewala website and it is very less price than any other coaching institute. Thank you.
Hello, this is Radhika Mehta and मैंने Lecturewala से Bhagatpura sir की CMA intermediate की classes purchased. After purchase, I came to know that service of Lecturewala is very appropriate. ये जो classes है बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से डाउनलोड और मुझे जब भी प्रॉब्लम आई तो हेल्प हमेशा मुझे मिली है। थैंक यू।
Hello, my name is Naman Agarwal and I want to say that my issue got resolved by talking to Lecturewala support team. Thank you very much for the support.
Hi, I want to thank Lecturewala for providing a great service. मेरे को 4 days के अंदर मेरे को मेरा पार्सल रिसीव हो चुका, तो that's a great service that has been provided by Lecturewala. Thank you so much.